This is Jonathan with GetToPrepping.com and Executive EDC, and I want to share with you a video this evening on a new kit I put together, and this is my last ditch effort mini survival kit. I've seen a lot of videos. I decided to make my own. I couldn't find a kit that came with everything I would want in a, so to speak, last ditch effort bag kit that you could keep with you in your backpack, in your vehicle, and easily put on you if you needed to. So let's just dive right into it. So let's start with the pouch. This is a Hill People Gear pocket is what it's called. I think they call it the medium pocket. High quality zippers, high quality material. I own several of their bags. The back of it's MOLLE webbing. You can adjust these straps. You can attach it to another bag, or you can set it like I have, where I have these loops where I can put it right on my belt. Take it right out of my bag, throw it on my belt if I need to. The items in this kit are a last ditch effort for me. This is the things that if I could get my hands on, great. I'm glad that I have it. So let's go through it. As I open it up, you'll see it holds a lot of gear. This first item is a waterproof signaling device. It's almost like a glow stick. You unwrap it, pull this part apart. So basically you pull them both apart. There's a paracord tied to it, and you swing it, and one end of it lights up, and it's a signaling device. I've got some survival cord, and this cord is really cool. I'll try to get it in the video if you can see this. It has what they call fire cord in here. So it's like regular paracord. It's got your 550 paracord, but then it also, inside of it, has fire cord, this red cordage, which burns easily. And then there's also copper wire running through here too. So if you needed some wire, needed to make a snare, you could, or if you needed some wire to attach something. And it is right here. I don't know if I can get this on camera or not, but that's your copper wire. And then also you have some monofilament, which could be used for fishing string or whatever you want to use it for, right here as well. This is called survival cord. I'll put the link to these items in the description. This is a small Sunto compass with a wrist strap that you can put on. This is a great little compass. It's not expensive, maybe about 35 bucks. I have a signaling mirror, and this signaling mirror I made a little case out of duct tape. And actually I got the idea for this case from a book that I have right down here. When All Hell Breaks Loose. And this is a really great book. It was one of the first books I ever got on survival and prepping, and in there is where I got the idea to make a case for this mirror out of duct tape. I have a couple of packets of wet ones. I have a Ballistol packet, which, by the way, this is also a great fire starter. In addition to a gun cleaner or knife cleaner, I have some burn gel. I have a Victorinox Farmer, and I'm not going to review the knife, but it's got your main blades on here. It also has a great little saw on here as well, and it has a really good awl. And this is the Farmer. I've got an emergency space blanket. I have a small SE Ride in the Rain notebook. And so this just flips over and you've got your paper, which could be used for fire starter, making notes, whatever you want to use it for. On the back of this, it's got their little navigation cards on here, which, by the way, this is a skill set that I'm learning right now on using a compass and not just a GPS. This is a little knife sharpener. I have a roll of duct tape and a pencil that this is rolled around, and it's just a part of a pencil that I cut off. I have a North American Arms 22 Magnum. This is the Pug, I think is the model that this is. Great little, this is a cool little pistol. And it's not loaded right now. And then in here I have the 22 Magnum cartridges. And then I have my main part of the kit. So the inside of this bag, if you can see this, you've got one big pocket right here. Then you have your main pocket, and then you have two small pockets. So let's go through, let's move this stuff out of the way. There we go. This little box, I believe the company is Suma. I'm not sure. I could be wrong on that. So I will again post a description. But the cool thing is this is aircraft aluminum. You can cook in this. You can boil water in this. You can dig with this. Black Scout Survival, he has a great video on this case, and that's the video that I watched that made me decide to purchase this. So in here, and I also built my kit kind of off of that video that he did. So it is supposedly waterproof. I don't know that I'd want to test it, but they say that it is. So these are some little bags that I have. I have them there, so I'm not gonna. I got from 5cold.com, and they are water collection bags. I've got two of these together, so you can take it and go collect water. It's kind of like a Ziploc bag, is what it's kind of like, but a little heavier duty. I've got a couple packets of water purifying tablets from Aquamira in here. I have a match striker along with some Strike Anywhere matches. I have a small little ferrocerium rod. Some copper wire. I have another fire striker, and this I picked this up from It's Tactical. And there's some little tender tabs in there. I have a little whistle, and this is a Phoenix. They call it an NW20. It's a little titanium whistle. I have a Leatherman Juice CS4 inside of here. So I know I have the Farmer in the bag, but I also really find it handy to have pliers. and I carry on a daily basis a Leatherman, the Charge TTI, the titanium, and I love that. This is a Fisher space pen, right in the rain, wherever. Some safety pins. A little mini lock pick set. I've got some more lock picking devices here as well, which you can learn more about on YouTube. I have a little Suunto clip compass, so this will clip on a watch, clip on really anything you want to clip it on your bag. Just a small little compass. This is another little sharpener. But what's cool is this also is a great I don't know if you see the sparks flying, but it'll definitely throw some sparks. So you can use it as a striker as well. I have some Uncle Bill's silver gripper tweezers. I have a little can opener. And then in here, this last little part, I have a Fresnel lens. I said Fresnel. It's another little fire starter magnifier. There's a little ruler attached on here as well. Let's see if I can get it out of this little case. There we go. And I just took when you buy these, they come in packs of like 4, I think. So I took one out. And in here I put this this is a little radiation detector card. It's called a Rad Triage 50. And so that's it. That's my mini survival kit. Hey guys, I'll put all of the information, links in the description to the items in here so that you can pick them up. Most of the stuff I got off of Amazon. Thanks again for watching the video. Again, this kit I put together thanks to Black Scout Survival. I watch a lot of his videos, and he has a video on this kit using this little container, and many of the items in here are straight from that video. Thanks again for watching. Hey, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. If you'd like to know when a new video comes out, also hit the notification so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.